go! Come on, S4! Come on, S3! In today's video, we've got the Audi 4.2 V8 S4, Audi S3 2-litre Tfsi. They're both going to go against each other. Which one's going to win? Bigger brother or the smaller brother? Let's find out. This is running 344 brake horsepower from stock and does 0 to 60 in less than 6 seconds, but it weighs over 2 tons. The Audi S3 is 265 brake horsepower stock, 4 cylinders, but it does 0 to 60 in less than 6 seconds again, but it weighs 1 tons. You guys can let me know in the comments right now which one's going to win, the S3 or the S4. Bear in mind the S4 is an Avant, which means it's a family car with 5 seats, 5 doors. And the S3 is a 3-door sports car. That's not a family car, but more of a young boy racer's car. Now, it's been a big debate on which car is faster. Somebody mentioned in the comments that an S3 will beat the 4.2 V8 S4, but we're going to find out. I'm no car guru, but I've got a feeling the S3 might have the edge. But who knows? The S4 is a V8. On stats, on paper, the S3 should be faster, but we all know sometimes on the paper it's not always the truth. Let's get them both on the road and find out which one is faster. And don't be alarmed, it's not 1.9 TDI. Now let's do a sound check to see which one sounds better right now. Very subtle. I think it needs an exhaust. I think the S4 won, guys. That's a lot better than the S3. Alright, so now it's time to hit the highway. One thing about the S4 I got to mention, it's pretty low to the ground, as you'll see. It literally touches the ground, the exhaust does. But this car is completely stock, so the suspensions are just going to be basically bolty when we launch it. But with the S4, it's glued to the ground because of the coilovers that it's on there. We're just going to just do rolling starts. If we launch these cars at over 100k on the clock, I don't want to break another flywheel and clutch like we did in the S4. Let's make sure the S3 flywheel stays strong. It's a shame because the S4 sounds so good, but the S3 just sounds like nothing. I think this car needs a new exhaust. To which, when the S4, the project gets finished, the S3 will be the next project car on the channel, so stay tuned on that one. This is it. This is where we're going to find out. 1, 2, 3, go. Come on, S3! Boom! Come on, S3! Boom! Come on, S3! Wow! No way! Side by side! Side by side! That was crazy! Which car's faster? I don't even know. That was nuts. Let's try that again. In second gear! Second gear! Come on, S3! Come on, S3! Oh! No way! The S3 couldn't take the S4, man. Guys, that S4 is not stock, guys. On paper, the S3 is supposed to be faster. It's not faster, guys. No way, that S4 is rapid. Come on. 1, 2, 3, go. Come on, S4. Come on, S3. Okay, alright. Damn. Yo, that car, man, that S4 is that. I have to change gear by the time the S4 gets to the 6,500 revs. I think the S4's got me, you know. That is mad. We're gonna find out what happened there, because I would love to know what it's like in the S4. Because in here, it's like, there's no sound. It's just, in the S4 you can feel it going, bam. So let's take a look at the S4's view and see what happened. The rear back brakes need changing in this car. It's just constantly grinding. First gear, go. Come on, S3! Oh no, I've lost! I have lost! The S4 has won! Officially, the S4 is faster than the S3. First gear, 1, 2, 3, go! Come on, S3! Come on, man! Oh, man! There's nothing that I can do, man. That S4 is just quick off the first gear. I feel like we're neck and neck from second gear, but first gear the S4's got me, man. We know now, guys, the S4 is quicker than the S3. There's no way about it. It's not a huge difference, but that S4 goes forward. It's a close race. That sound of that V8. That is one amazing car, that S4 is. On paper, a stock S4 can't beat an S3, no way. That wasn't supposed to happen, guys. The S3 was supposed to win. That S4 is not stock, no way. No way do you just beat the S3 like that. I was giving it everything. I was shifting it to 6,500 RPM. It just never had the minerals to just beat the S4. Let's head back to the HQ and just finalize it, because I honestly don't know like what happened there, but that S4 just whooped my butt. Come on, S3! Whoop him! Come on! Whoop that S4, man! Nah, the S4 is quicker. Such a beastly car. At least we know now. Honestly, thought the S3 will have it. People mentioned in the comment in the last video, the S3 would just gap the S4. But clearly, guys, I believed you guys. I honestly thought the S3 was going to beat the S4. I believed it. And even on paper, the stats, the S3 should beat the S4. That does quarter mile in 14.8 seconds. That does a quarter mile in 13.9 seconds. There's the stats on the screen right now for you guys. It's got to be running up to about 400 brake horsepower plus, easy. I'm happy either way, because at the end of the day, it just means that this ain't stuck. But obviously we've done a bit of let the cars cool down now, and we know the verdict. The reason why the S4, I believe, it's got 500 RPM more. So by the time I've got to the maximum RPM, I've got to change gear, and the S4 just carries on and then change. So obviously I thought the S3 was even going to have it from the first gear, but I realised that for every gear, because the S3 RPM is shorter, the S4's got a longer RPM gear ratio. It's going further and further away. And the second reason why the S4 beat the S3 is because we just know it's not stock. We're gonna do some checks on this car to finalize why it's fast. Hope you guys enjoyed that. Smash that like button, drop a comment down below, subscribe to the channel if you're new, hit that bell notification to see the next video. We're gonna race the S4 with another car, another contender. We want to make sure the S4 to see what it's capable of, so stay tuned on that one, guys. Till next time, guys, may the Almighty bless each and every one of you. Peace.